2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.